It was a dark and stormy night, too wild for any man. Lightning flashed, thunder crashed, strange events began. The house was bathed in moonlight, while the household slept. Something stirred in the underworld, and in the darkness crept. It's spooky, spooky, On the stroke of midnight, there was madness in the air. The breath of life cut like a knife into a vacant stare. Lifeless limbs began to move, tugging captive strings, while no one heard. Passion stirred bewitched imaginings. It's spooky, spooky.
The clock has stopped its ticking. Time is standing still. Staring eyes and stifled cries are free at last until the power of this magic has fulfilled its spell. Puppets glanced and chanced, but no one could foretell.
It's spooky, spooky. Spooky. Now the party's over, and a freedom so sublime. They return and wait in a frozen state for a moment held in time. Their secret lasts forever. Time has sealed their fate, until the power of the 13th hour patiently they wait. It's spooky, spooky, spooky.